Hello viewers, welcome to Civil Engineering classes. From this video we are going to start a new series of building plans. In this building plans, today we are going to draw ground floor plan of a G+1 house. So let's start with this tutorial. Here is a simple line plan of a house in which the orientation or the placement of rooms has been given. Also the dimension of the rooms has been provided. According to this, we are going to develop our plan. Along with this, there is an opening schedule provided wherein all the sizes of doors, windows, ventilators has been given. So let's start with our drawing. Before drawing, we are going to create layers. Layers for different items that we are going to include in these plans. So first we'll create a layer for walls. For that we'll go to layers. Then here new layer. Now here we'll give name as wall. Color will change. We'll keep it this green. So OK. Line will keep continuous only. Now again we'll create another layer for staircase. We'll change color. Red. OK. We'll make this wall layer as current and close this tab. Now let's start with this drawing. So we'll start from this wall. We'll take line command. Draw a line here. Starting from this storeroom, we'll take this wall thickness first. All of external walls will be 230 mm and internal walls will be 150 mm. So we'll take this external wall. We'll take offset. Distance will take 230. Wall thickness. Give offset. Now storeroom dimension is 1500 by 1500. So we'll give a offset here 1500. Then again there is a wall. External wall will take 230. Now here we'll take this wall. We'll take line command. Now again give offset of 230. Then this room dimension is 1500. So again offset of 1500 from this wall. Again wall thickness. This full wall will be external wall. So we'll take 230. Now this veranda is in line with this wall. So this dimension is 3500. So we'll take offset of 3500 from this wall and trim this extra lines. Now we'll take this kitchen, this 3500 by 3000. So we have taken this 3500 offset already. So we'll give offset of wall thickness. Wall thickness will be partition wall 150. Trim this extra line. Now give offset of this toilet. This length is 2000. So we'll give distance 2000 from here to here. Then again partition wall of 150. Then this master bedroom length is 4000. So here we'll take 4000. Offset of 4000. Then again there is a external wall of 230. After that there is a balcony of 1200 wide. So we'll take offset of 1200. Enter. Now we'll extend these lines Now we'll take this toilet length. This is 1950. So we'll give offset of 1950. Partition wall of 150. Then this length is 3000 of this room and this kitchen. So we'll take offset at 3000 from this wall. And again partition wall of 150. Enter. Now trim these extra lines. Now next we'll take this toilet. Dimension is 2450 by 1800. So here we'll give offset. First we'll give offset of 1800 from this wall and partition wall of 150. Then from this wall 2450 and again partition wall of 150. Now we'll trim these extra lines. Now next we'll trim these lines also. Now we'll take this bedroom. This is 3500 by 3000. So we'll give offset here of 3000 to this wall and then external wall of 230. Then this living room, this is 4000 by 3000. So we'll delete this line and we'll give offset of 4000 from this wall and the external wall of 230. Enter. Now we'll delete this extra lines. Now there is a veranda here and this car parking. First we'll take this veranda. This is 1500 mm wide. So we'll give offset of 1500 to this line and we'll extend this wall lines and trim this extra line. Now this parking is 3500 this length and 4000. So we'll take offset of 3500 from this wall and 4000 from this wall. We'll take fillet and fillet this. Again we'll take fillet and fillet this. Now trim this extra line. Trim this line also. Extend this line and trim this. Now here we have provided the placement of rooms and given the wall thickness. Now we'll have to provide the door openings and delete these extra lines from these walls. So starting from this storeroom, there is a door here. Door is of, we'll take 800 by 1800. So we'll give offset of 800 to this line and delete this lines and delete this line. Delete this extra lines also. Now there's a door opening here at the rear side of the kitchen. We'll also take this as 800, so we'll give offset of 800 to this line and trim these extra lines. Now to this toilet. Now here this corner of this kitchen is kept open, so we'll keep as it is. We'll keep this open. We'll delete this line. Now this toilet, for this toilet, door is from this side and there's a door for the master bedroom here. So you will give 800 offset to this toilet door. Now I'll trim this extra line. I'll take trim command, enter, take this as reference line, say enter and delete this line. If I delete this line by this method, I'll be able to delete this line and also the line coming in this wall. Otherwise, if I take the direct command, trim tr, double click and trim, this line will remain here that you will have to delete again. So we'll do it by the earlier method. Take trim command, take this as reference line, enter and delete this line. Now again take trim command, delete this extra lines. Now here this length is 900, so a door opening for bedroom is also 900, so we'll delete these lines. Now this is our staircase, so we'll delete these lines. This is opening here. Now for toilet there is a access from this side, so we'll give offset of 800 from this wall, trim these extra lines, now here there is a door to this bedroom from here. Now this dimension is 900, so we'll delete these lines also. Delete these extra lines. Now here there is a main door here. Main door is of 1200 by 2000. First we'll trim these lines. We'll give offset for main door 1200 from this line to this. Now trim this. Extra lines. And trim these lines. To delete these two lines in one shot, you can take the trim command, type double enter. Now take this fence and delete this line. You don't have to delete it again and again. Now we have provided the doors, the door openings. Now we'll provide this two French doors here. French doors are of size 2500 by 1800. So we'll give this French door opening. For that we'll need the midpoint of this wall, but this line is continuous. For that we'll take break a point command. Select this line and click at this point. So now we got this individual segment of this room. We'll take line command, take this midpoint, draw a line here. Now this length is 2500 of French door, so we'll have to take 1250 from this side and 1250 from this side. We'll give offset of 1250 at this side and at this side. We'll trim these extra lines. Again there will be a French door here, so to get the midpoint of this line we'll give break at point command and break this line. Now take line, take this midpoint, draw a line here, give offset of 1250 to this line and this side. Trim these extra lines, delete this line. So here we have given this door openings. Now next we have to give this staircase. Now here the distance of landing is not given, so this width will take 1 meter and thread for the staircase will take 300. So here the steps are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 steps. First we'll change this layer to staircase. Now we'll give offset. We'll give offset command. Click on this layer and click on this current. Now give offset distance as 1000 and offset this line. So this line will come in this current layer. So the layer of this offsetted line will be your current layer. Now trim these extra lines here on both the sides and give steps offset 300 distance. Now take this multiple and give the offset. We'll give 9 steps. We'll take a line in the middle to divide it in 2 flights. Give offset of 50 from here to here and here to here. Delete this middle line and trim this middle lines. We'll copy this text here, the names and size of these rooms. Storeroom, put the ortho mode off. Change the text height to 150. Now The rest of the text will copy. We'll rotate this text. Put the ortho mode on. Move this. We'll change the size of this text. Here in this quick properties, we'll give text height as 150. Now this flight of the staircase will start from the plinth and this flight will rest on the slab. So here we'll give the direction. We'll give quick leader. Show this arrow here. And we'll type here up and say enter. So in this tutorial we have developed this plan, provided this staircase and provided this door openings. In our next tutorial we are going to provide the windows, the door shutters and the French door shutters. So keep watching our upcoming videos. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.